Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 20 divide 10 bracket 1 plus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. 1 plus 1 as 2 and 10 multiplied 2 is 20 and 20 divided by 20 as 1, which is a wrong answer. Because when you have given multiple operation like division, then in bracket, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have same priority. Then addition and subtraction, but you have to solve it from left to right. So first we are going to solve the parenthesis. Now rewrite the left out term. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and there is a multiplication sign. So as we discussed that division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So it's 20 divided by 10 multiply 2. So it's 2 times 2, which is 4. So what is the right answer? 4, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.